Davison here. I'm a design team member with the Wild Hare Kits, and I'm here to walk you through my November Deluxe Kit inspired by the color orange. I am not in my usual filming location. I am actually at an all-weekend scrap retreat, so apologize for any lighting or echo or hotel sounds that you might hear in the background. So here we go. So for October, as I said, I ordered an orange-inspired kit, which an interesting color choice, but I am going through the color wheel. And Alison at the Wild Hare Kit sort of supports how interesting that choice was. And here's the note that she gave me for this one. I hope you love your orange November kit. Orange is a bit of a unicorn in the scrappy world, so there are definitely some peach tones mixed in, and I'm crossing my fingers that it doesn't scrap block you. Just to pause there, I write on my style profile that peach scrap blocks me, so that's so cute that she got that. I think you'll like the mixture of embellies and different designers I curated. I included the dice pattern paper because it's the holiday season and I know your family loves to get together and play games, so I hope it works for you. And I'm especially curious to see how you use the darling hanger paper clips. Ooh, enjoy. So this is it here. Let's pop through it. So there's the usual thank you card. Girl, you challenged me this month. Hope I met your expectations. I have no doubt that you did. So we'll save that little guy. Okay, so let's go through it. So here is an awesome washi tape. Love that. That is cool. We'll take a peek at who that is that this washi tape is from, and that is Heidi Swap Honey and Spice. Pretty awesome. Oh, sorry, I keep going off camera there. There's also these Jen Hadfeld homemade, and this is her This Is Family collection. So you can see there what's included. Great oranges. I see what she means by a bit of peach because it's a bit of the pinker side of orange, but I'm totally not worried about it. I think it's going to be fabulous. In this kit, there's 30 of the normal cardstock, and then there's also 10 with gold foiling. So that's going to be really great. Those are cute as heck. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, and then here we go. Perfect with that. Speaking of that kind of gold, this is actually a wood grain. Sorry about the glare. This is kind of hotel lighting here. But with a bit of a peach pink foam on the side that you can see. And I think that that's going to look really good with the stuff that I've got in there. So this is pink paisley again and again. And this is the alphas. Also included is the puffy stickers from Just a Little Lovely. Oh, those are going to be great. Hey, there's some orange for sure. Love it. Oh, I love that happy one. Oh, incredible. Those are cute. This is fun. I didn't get these. I've had a couple of pieces of the Just a Little Lovely. These are so great. Good. Oh, good one. Freckled Fawn. These are label stickers. Those are definitely of the orange variety. Those are really good. That's going to be cute. I love that little rainbow that's on that one. It's going to be fun. All right, Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Truly Grateful. Well, of course, a Paige Evans has some orange in it. So I'll just kind of run through that there. Some good big phrase stickers there. And then this one has a flip side. Loving these little mushrooms. Come on, can those be any cuter? And again, this is a gold foiling touch to it as well. So you're seeing quite an awesome theme here. And I guess gold by nature is sort of orange, isn't it? So this is the cut file this month. This is a fern. I can see myself when I ordered a deluxe kit, so you do get the cut file with it. A petite kit and a deluxe kit, you both get access to the electronic version, but deluxe, you get it in your kit, unless you say otherwise. But I can see myself going online and cutting a whole bunch of these and sort of making a motif if I had to guess. I think that's going to be really great. I also got this little baggie of goodness. We all love when we get the baggie. Oh, this must be where the hangers are. Yes. Good. So in here I got 3 pieces of flair. Love it. Super orange inspired. Oh, that's a lovely one. Hope. Cute. I got some fibers, so those will be really nice. Keep going to the edge of the camera there. Sorry, guys. I have hotel voice from it being so dry here. And then those are the hangers. How cute are those? Oh, I need to think about how to use those. Am I going to use a pun on a title? Do I have some fashion montage out pictures? Those are going to be cute. Okay, so let's get to the paper. So this is the dice paper that she was talking about, and I absolutely love it. I already know the pictures I'm going to be using for it. Love. She knows me so well. Oh, but I love this too. Okay, I'm going to have to cut apart and use part of it. Yes. Okay, so this is Jen Hadfield. This is Family, and this is called Chit Chat. You can see it's just a bunch of speech bubbles. How was your day? Remember when? And then the backside is the dice there. Ooh, nice. Simple Stories, Happy Together. And this is the Happy Heart one. Love that. It's kind of got little speckles in there if you can see. And then this is the backside. Awesome off-white and black dot. Super fun. Oh, goodness me, this is gorgeous. Oh, I think a couple folks got this last month and I was drooling. Yay. Sorry, this is Jen Hadfield, this is Family, and this is the fresh picked. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow. Oh, I love that too. Now that is, talk about getting the orange kit I was looking for. Wow. I see I've got a big shadow here. I'm so sorry, guys, but hopefully you're still getting the point of each of the papers. You can really see them. This is Amy Tangerine Stay Sweet Cosmic Candies, and those have like little flecks on there. And this side is this awesome pattern. At first I didn't see the branding strip and I didn't realize that was Amy Tangerine. I thought it was maybe a bit more Maggie Holmes. You can kind of always tell designers if you get them a lot. So that one was quite out of the box. I like that. So this is more Jen Hadfield. This is Family Life, this one is called. So this is a cut apart. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. You're the man. And then, oh, I like that. That is great. And I get that. That's like an orange with a bit of a pink to it. So maybe peach, but I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with that at all. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, yes. Love words. Look at this. All these words with some highlighted. Making family traditions. Remember when the relatives came. Oh, I love it. We love each other. Getting together. Oh, cute. So this is Jen Hadfield. This is Family Fun Times. Let's talk about it. Oh my gosh. Too funny. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, that's going to be really fun. That's going to be really fun. Okay, and the last paper here is the Jen Hadfield Home. This is Family again, Bits and Pieces. So this would be great as a cut apart, but I also think this would be fun as a background, just a crazy background. Oh, but that's really nice too, that kind of green geometric pattern, which goes so nicely with the orange colors, as you can see, because of like the fall kind of concept and botanical growth and all that good stuff. That's really great. So that is me. That is fabulous. Again, apologies for the lighting and all that. I am at a crop this weekend, and I only just noticed my package. Our mailman sort of tucked it in the cedar tree by our front door. I was worried for a day there that it was actually lost. So I didn't have a chance to do it at home. So I got a big shadow. I came off camera a few times, but you will get the point. And I promise the pictures I put up on the Wild Hare Kits blog, as well as on the Scrap Story and my Brandy Davison blog, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff, will be of the usual variety, so you can actually see what's going on there. So thank you again so much. Pop on over to the Wild Hare Kits and to fill out your style profile and consider a deluxe kit, which is about this much paper and goodies here, or a petite kit, which is a lower price point and you get less stuff, but still more than enough to give your stash a total refresh and make lots of new stuff. I'll include all the links below so you don't have to find it for yourself, and I hope you have a wonderful November.